Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into a quick and essential guide how to properly insert SIM cards into your brand new Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7. Let's get started. First thing first, let us find that SIM card tray. Hold your Z Fold 7 with the screen facing you. Look along the top edge near the center. You will spot a small subtle outline of the tray and a tiny pinhole next to it. That is our target. Now grab your SIM ejection tool. You will find one right in the box with your phone, but any similar tool will work. Carefully insert the tool into that tiny pinhole and apply a little gentle pressure. You will feel a slight click and the tray will pop right out. Go ahead and pull it completely free. Take a look at the tray. As you can see, it is designed to hold two physical SIM cards, one on each side. A quick note, there is no microSD card slot on this model, so plan accordingly. Time to place your SIMs. If you are using two SIM cards, here is a pro tip to make it easier. Place your first SIM card into the slot labeled SIM2. Ensure metal contacts are facing upwards and the cut corner of your SIM matches the notch on the tray. Now flip the tray over. Place your second SIM card into the slot labeled SIM1. Again, make sure the contacts face up and the cut corner aligns with the notch. Why this order? If you put SIM1 in first, it can sometimes fall out when you flip the tray. Starting with SIM2 helps keep everything secure. Hold the tray with the SIM1 side facing upwards and your Z Fold 7's outer screen facing you. Gently slide the tray back into the phone until it is flush. Give your phone a couple of moments to detect the SIM cards. Once it does, you will see the SIM card manager pop up automatically. On the first page, you can easily personalize your SIM names and icons by tapping the pencil icon. Tap Next when you are done. Next, choose your preferred SIM for calls. You will get three options. Ask always SIM1 or SIM2. Make your selection and tap Next. Follow the same process to choose your preferred SIM for messages and then for mobile data. Once all your preferences are set, tap Done. And just like that, both your SIM cards will be active and showing on your phone. It is also worth noting that Galaxy Z Fold 7 supports eSIM. This means you have flexibility. You can use two eSIMs, one physical SIM and one eSIM, or two physical SIM cards as we just demonstrated. That's all there is to it. You have successfully installed your SIM cards into your Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7. If you found this video helpful, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more tech tips and guides. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.